Avoid this home renovation nightmare. What if the contractor you hired actually damages your property or your neighbor's property? And even worse, what if the construction work on your property causes an injury? Hi, I'm Frank Polsinello, owner and broker of record at RE/MAX Hallmark Polsinello Group. In situations like these, the actions of your contractor could end up costing you money. That's why you should only work with contractors who have adequate insurance covering public liability and property damage. Ask for a certificate of insurance, and that's proof that the coverage is in place as part of your contract. You'll also need to consider your own homeowner's insurance. That's additional coverage when beginning a renovation project. In the event that your home is damaged or damage is caused to a neighboring property, your own insurance also needs to protect you. Many people assume that their homeowner's insurance covers circumstances like these, and in many cases it does, but homeowners' insurance policies vary widely in terms of coverage. Some are comprehensive, but others cover only a certain number of specified perils and exclude everything else. Before starting any work on your home, contact your insurance broker or agent, explain the work that you plan to have done and who will be doing it, and ask if your present insurance policy provides adequate coverage. If it doesn't, update your policy. You need adequate insurance even though your contractor is fully insured. Why should homeowners care? Well, Workmen's Compensation is a government program that provides workers injured on the job with financial support, and if required, pays for their rehabilitation. Workmen's compensation programs operate provincially, and enrollment is mandatory for most workers and employers. Homeowners usually don't have to think about workmen's compensation, which is the responsibility of the contractor they hire. However, if your contractor is not complying with workers' compensation rules, you may face a financial risk, especially if you do not have a written contract that establishes that the contractor is an independent business rather than being employed directly by you. For example, in many provinces, if a homeowner hires a contractor for cash under the table and the contractor is not enrolled in workers' compensation, the homeowner can be held financially responsible if the worker is hurt on the property. How do you remove the risk? Well, ask your contractor for a letter of clearance from your province's workers' compensation program. If your province allows exemptions for self-employed workers, ask for a letter from the program stating that the contractor has been exempted. If you hire a contractor who is not required to have workers' compensation coverage, find out if your homeowner's insurance policy protects you against a personal injury lawsuit. If not, consider increasing your coverage. For more information, it's always a good idea to contact your provincial workers' compensation program. It's also a good idea to have the contractor provide insurance certificates for all subcontractors that they're hiring. While contractors who don't carry the proper insurance are likely to charge less, it's a huge liability that you're assuming when you hire them. Better to be safe than sorry is my advice. I'm Frank Polsinello, and if you have any further questions about this or any other real estate-related issues, call or text me at 905-830-9111 or at polsinello.ca. Thank you, and I hope you have an incredible day.